Hey there, RJ here with Black Belt Bots, and today we're going to talk about the 3 biggest fears that people have when starting their bots and how to overcome those fears. So, I work with a lot of clients. I work with a lot of people who are excited about bots, keep hearing about bots. Hey, they're talking about it right this second at social media marketing world. You know they are. People are really excited about bots and they want to try to use them in their business, but they have 3 fears, at least my clients do, that they talk about over and over and over. So let's address those right now. First one, what if I sink a whole bunch of time into this thing and it doesn't work for me? I get it. Your greatest asset as a small business owner is your time. No kidding. I mean, if you sink some work into something or some money into something and it just has abysmal results for you, it's a cost of your time. It's an opportunity cost. You could have been doing about anything else and it would have done you better. I understand that fear. I'm a small business owner too, and I get it. I don't want to spend time in places that I have no guarantee that it will work. But here's the thing. Messenger marketing is different. Messenger marketing with ManyChat provides you all sorts of clues as to what is working in your bot and what is not. So few times does anybody ever release a bot and it's a complete failure or an absolute raging success overnight. Okay? Those are what's called outliers. Everybody else is within the spectrum. Some of these things are going really well. Some of them could work a little bit better. In ManyChat, there are all sorts of statistics that will talk to you about what's working and what's not. Also, when you ask people questions in your bot, you will see what people understand and where they need a little bit of help. And you can adjust and tweak your bot as you go. That's the power of the messenger marketing, is that I can put out a bot today and adjust that sequence tomorrow if I need to, or 5 minutes from now if I feel like it. Things can be tweaked and adjusted anytime and tested with I have a circle of people that I test with as well, and I encourage you to get a circle of people. If you don't have a circle of people, join my community, Black Belt Bots community on Facebook. We'd love to see you there. Anyway, stats. Stats is the answer to that question. What if I put a whole bunch of work into something and it just doesn't work for me? Listen, if you put the work in, the care and feeding of your bot, which I can show you how to do, then this thing is going to work for you. Maybe it's not an overnight deal. Perfect. Listen, so rarely do those overnight deals, so rarely is that somebody's first try. You know what I'm saying? So if you sink the time in, I'll show you how to spend it so that you'll get something out of it. That's the short answer to that question. Next, what if? What if this thing is just a flash in the pan? I get it. Now let me ask you this question though. Is marketing for you, does it mean closing a sale or does it mean opening a relationship? A relationship is not defined by whether or not a transaction occurs. Relationships are defined by so many other things. I have a lot of relationships with people out there in the online world that those people have never paid me for anything at all. And yet we collaborate, we world domination plans every single day. We have great relationships. I refer them, they refer me. We're a community. And that's the way that messenger marketing works. Are you focused on making a sale? Then maybe some of those other ways that people, straight up make a lot of sales with, email marketing, all of those other things. If you're just focused on making a sale and the relationship doesn't matter to you, maybe bots aren't for you. But if your business is built on creating solid relationships with those people and building from there, this ain't a flash in the pan. Listen, conversation marketing has been around for a long time. way before technology, baby. Way before technology. This is just, messenger marketing is just another tool to do it, but conversation marketing. Marketing by meeting people, talking to them, finding out about them, telling them what you do. This has gone on since the beginning of time. And it ain't going nowhere. Also, Zucky, Zucky, Mark the Zuckerberg, doesn't tend to push piles of money towards things that fail. I mean, Anyway, that's why it's not a flash in the pan. Conversation marketing ain't going anywhere. In fact, it is just getting started because people are deprived of and absolutely crave a human touch. You know what people want? They just want to be seen. They just want to be heard. And the messenger bot gives them a chance to do exactly that. And it gives you a chance, as a small business owner, to see what it is that people want and need. It's no longer, let's just guess the black box of whatever's in their brain and then try to just overwhelm them with messages and sell them something. Yeah, we're done. We're done with all of that. And I'm glad we're done with it in marketing. I'm really, really glad we're done with it. Anyway, got off on a little track there. I tend to do that, by the way. So, conversations marketing's been around forever. It's just getting started, and messenger marketing is an excellent tool to have those conversations. Third fear, third what if, and this is the one that I get almost every single day. What if I can't make it work? What if I don't have the skill and the talent to make it work? What if I, just can't comprehend it or understand it or work with it or whatever? I got you, boo. I got you. Here's what we're going to do. I have got a 5-day Start Your Bot challenge. Starts on Monday, March 5th. And it's going to be evergreen after that. You can join any day you want after that. If you go to, and yes, it is called startyourbot.com. If you go there, you will enter directly into my challenge. Here's what the challenge is going to be. It's 5 days. It's simple instructions served to you every day over Facebook Messenger. You get a little video. You get a little PDF with instructions. We're going to use templates that I've developed specifically for this purpose. Templates that have been tested and that I am currently using right now on my website, right now on my Facebook page. We're going to use these templates. They're free. Obviously, it's a challenge. All of these things are free. We're going to make it so that in 5 days, you're going to walk away with a working messenger marketing bot on your Facebook or on your website or Facebook page, or both if you want. If you're so situated, fantastic. You will be able to walk away with something working, something that captures questions as they come in from your potential customers, something that leads them to the next thing that you want to lead them to, a mini course, a freebie, subscription to a live stream, whatever it is. That's what we're going to put. That's what we're going to make happen for you. We're starting with something simple and small, and that is exactly how I want you to start with Facebook Messenger bots, because there's a lot new about this technology. So don't miss out. Listen, I'll walk you step by step through the process. I will hold your hand, and at the end of it, I've got a free half hour with me, questions and answers. Problems that you're having, anything that you need, I will be here for you. I'll even review your bot if you want. It's fine. Go to startmybot.com or start your bot. Sorry. Go to this link right here. Go to startyourbot.com and we will get rid of these indecision blocks that are currently in your way. Thanks for listening. You guys are a great audience. I love ya. And that's it, my friends. I am going to see you in a bot.